Hello, friends and professionals. Wanted to learn something free of cost? Wanted to learn something free of cost? Is it possible? Wanted to learn something free of cost before SAP releases to actual sales certification or procurement certification? New trending updates. Wanted to learn? Wanted to see the beta version or else actual version before actually it is hitting to SAP market. Before ready for certification, wanted to learn something prepone, postpone. There are no different terms. Okay. On a serious note, I would like to tell you, if you want to learn something, okay, before releasing SAP or else just before releasing into the SAP certification market, if you wanted to learn something free, if you wanted to know the trending updates on experimental basis, what actually new developments comes into picture. For example, few years back, SAP SD ECC get dominated by S4 HANA, okay, simple finance, and after that simple logistics, or after that so many versions. So when they are trying to add these versions, they will release some information, some knowledge transfer, some certifications from SAP side also. How you will come to know all these things? Okay, this is the right place. Open SAP for all, do your free learning and open free training SAP or S4 HANA. That's what the topic is all about. Okay, so answer is this here. This is the website open.sap.com. Okay, if you have free time, really you are so that passion you would like to develop. Okay, generally who joins in real time, they are getting into these kind of places out of their enthusiasm. So like tea discussions or else morning breakfast discussions on SAP happens on these basic trends. You would like to show some show off, you would like to show some edge, better knowledge in the industry, better get into this site. That's what I'm telling. It was trending and it is going to trend and it will be trending, my friends. Okay, let me show you what exactly it is. So if you are not at subscribed, you can subscribe my channel. I'm requesting you to get these kind of more updates. And when so all these are the different set of courses, total 19 courses available. If you really want it, you can get into my courses so that you will be happy. If you are from SAP background and not yet introduced to industry, you try these courses. I'm keep on suggesting getting master to write functional specification. And second one is for SDMM folks. This is the course for real-time idoc training. Okay, 5 scenarios and transportation. I have few other scenarios also available. Okay, let it be. So let's get into our topic. Open SAP courses. You type, you'll get the site. Okay, you can see this. What is this site? open.sap.courses.com. Okay, so you can able to find through leaders, enterprise MOOCs, if you wanted to learn some languages, and target audience. So like SAP specialist, developer, data scientist, technical consultant, business decision maker, application consultant like us. So administrators, anything, you can be architect. All topics or specific topics, what you would like to search in this site. So for example, SAP S4 HANA as of now, it is giving the filter. So the currently, okay, migrate data to SAP S4 HANA Cloud and Public Edition. Now trending is cloud in S4 HANA. So 10 years ago, like, some migration topics. So like, already whatever the topics, so recorded. So See, so they will give some free certificate. Actually, if you finish this, you can able to download some kind of certificate. And what generally they will do is, like, they will give a certain topic and get to train yourself, and they will give free education on SAP topics. And after that, they will give uh, some examination. Okay, so certain courses they don't give examination also. If you finish that, you will get a certification. But generally they will do, like, certain weeks. So if you see, this course started, okay, free online course to learn about migration cockpit. Okay, how you can able to use it. This is September 13 it is get started, and October 19 it is going to finish. For example, if I go here and if I try to enroll, first what you have to do, you have to sign up. Okay, so single sign on. Okay, first you have to register this. Okay, so just come here, don't have an account, so let's give. So Jagdish, so my name I'm giving. You can create an account. It is simple way how you are creating your Gmail account. So Jagdish dot Jagdish dot Raidu dot Jagdish SAP 27. So this is my Gmail. I'm just doing. So let's try to take here Bharat changed. Okay. So I can able to give my mobile number here. Okay. So don't do that. Let's do, it's not a mandatory field. Okay. I'm just setting a password. Okay. It is asking some image. Actually, I used to have one account. So let's register this. Okay. So it sent for my email activation. So let me try to activate this first. It's activated actually. Let me continue. Okay. So this is the first time you are logging into Open SAP Sign ID singular if you have no existing open. Continue. Okay. So like, they would like to send email any updates related to marketing, SAP partner offering. So indirectly they are doing some advertising. So proceed to continue. No issues. I'll get some emails. Okay. So migration to SAP S4 HANA public edition. If I want it, I can start doing this course like this. Okay. If you want, you can if you want, you can able to share this. If you don't want to get into this course, you can enroll here. This is free, open source. Okay. So open source softwares, how you have Android like that, we have this. So see here, the course is continuing for data migration from unit 1 to unit 9. Okay. If you want, you can able to continue. Okay. So I wish. So like, if you wanted to see course details and, around this course, you will have some kind of discussions also will happen. So in this open source, you can learn everything free, but they will give certain time they will take out this remove from this website actually. Okay, so let's come here. So further learning, if you want to do it, okay, so SAP community, SAP learning, a lot of things will be there. But if you look at here, if you wanted to see all courses, you can able to see the current course and upcoming courses also. You will get an information. So like it's not only for S4 HANA, all SAP products, irrespective of any SAP products, you can able to do the course actually. Okay. So, so machine learning cockpit trend is going on, not like older SAP. Okay. So climate action with the SAP sustainability footprint management. If you want, you can do this. So you will get different kind of courses. Okay. So prepare your SAP business by design certification associate. If you want, you can able to do it. Okay. So this happened 19 to 24. Still it is going on. So probably will get some associate certification on this. So what SAP will do, whenever they find any product, okay, they will give it to open source. Once you trained, then companies will encourage to do all these things. Then they will start doing marketing with the clients, and after that SAP provides certification to again to us only, or else certain times your service companies will send to SAP partner companies will be there. They will get trained at SAP itself, and after that you will be the resource for that particular topic. Okay, so you can able to see the news, and you can able to see further learning and courses. Probably you can able to see some channels and all those stuff. This is all about your open SAP. If you really wanted to learn SAP SD, better getting into my courses. Here the research on my SAP SD products actually. S4 HANA introduction, if you want it, you try this S4 HANA Simple Logistics Business Partners. This is common for SD, MM, and FI. You can try this. Some three scenarios I have explained, and stock transfers, and other stuff will be there. If you really wanted to learn, so utilize this, because if you have that you know crave and learning passion, okay, open source, you can learn this. And I wish you all the best. This is open source. Certain times probably you might get certifications also. So don't ask me how many variations and varieties of courses available here. You just go through it. I have shown the path, and it's up to you. You can consume your valuable hours on SAP if you have real passion. Okay. But I used to do it, but after some point of time, like it depends on your interest how you'd like to continue. But most of the professionals will go through this site like anything before getting into the SAP. See, don't kill yourself trying to learn more things, and which is apt for you, that you choose and you try to learn. Okay, whatever it comes on the way, if you do it, it will not be useful. For example, as for HANA, so migration, you have an idea. Cloud, you public cloud, you want to do it, you update yourself. It will be helpful for you. Okay, so I think it is very, very important information for you. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Keep smiling. Jai Bharat. Learn, learn, learn.